Hello and welcome to the Long Island CW Club Morse Practice Page tutorial on sending practice. Let's go ahead and go up to the top of the page here where we have a saved bookmark for the LICW Morse Practice page right here. That kind of resets our practice page for us. Assuming that today we went to class and we learned the letters R, E, and A, and we've practiced R, E, and A single letters, hear it, say it, and write it, the next thing we want to do is maybe some R, E, and A sending practice. How do we set the Morse practice page up for this? Let's come down here to Instructor, and let's pick the BC1. Let's pick the letter group R, E, and A. We're going to pick the letter R, and underneath Preset, we're going to come down until we see the word Sending Practice. We'll choose Sending Practice. As soon as we did that, we can see that more settings has opened up for us. Okay, and here it tells us our pitch. We're going to be hearing the pitch at 600. Okay, then you can change that, making sure that keep your both sending your dits and das, just keep them locked same together. Okay, we don't want to have our dit at one frequency and our dot at another. So that's what that padlock does, keeps them both together. And you can hit reveal, and you can see that it's going to be the letter R. And this is going to give us 1 minute of the letter R, so that we have the chance and opportunity to go ahead and get our hand on our key, and that we can follow along with the letter R, and we can play it on our straight key. Turning on my radio, pardon my beeps there, and hopefully you'll be able to hear my key here. So I'm going to hit the letter, I'm going to hit play, and let's see what this does. That was the computer first and me next. Oops. And you get the idea. Now, if you noticed, I threw a couple mistakes in there, and that was to show you that you instantly know it as soon as you don't follow along the way that your ears heard it. Okay, so let's set this page up one more time so that way you can see how it's done. We're going to come up here to the Morse practice page reset button, or my bookmark. I call it my reset button. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pick Instructor, because as we remember the single letter video, we have to hit Instructor in order to have our letters by themselves. So I have BC1. I'm going to go to my R, E, and A group, and I'm going to pick that letter R. And under Preset, I'm going to look for Sending Practice. And there it is. I pick Sending Practice. I hit play. I put my hand on my key, and I mimic what I hear. This will help you develop good sending habits, making sure that your dot to dit ratio, or your da to dit, pardon me, that your da to dit ratio is correct. It will help you start off with good sending habits. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on sending practice.